Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your Earbuds Creative Zen Air Pro on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click at the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here we have a name, and near to the name we have pencil icon. On some devices it's located at the right top, or it could be a line with a name without this icon. So tap at this icon or at the line with a name if you have it, and write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. After you finish, click rename to save this new text. And we did it! Now you can go back or you can hide the settings, it's up to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!